It's Tuesday, March 5th, 2024. I'm Stuart Stotts with Song Premiere on Tuesday, dedicating this song to my friend Allen Ginsberg, who's always posting these great things about birds, pictures and information. Tom Pease and I did our annual trip and time up in schools in Ashwaubenon with great music teachers and great kids. So working with kindergartners to write verses to songs. And this is one of those songs. I wrote the chorus, the melody and the idea, but the kindergartners wrote the verses. So that if you don't like them, that's not on me. Actually, I like them quite a bit. Thanks to Amy in particular, Amy Kopp, for being such a great music teacher, and Lauren as well. Working with them is always a pleasure. So here we go, birds, and thank you for being here. We got birds in the morning, birds in the night, birds on the ground and birds in flight, birds in the sun, birds in the snow. We got birds, birds, birds everywhere we go. Birds, birds, birds everywhere we go. Robins eat worms from the garden. Hawks and owls hunt mice. Woodpeckers peck for a meal of bugs. Penguins catch fish underneath the ice. Birds in the morning, birds in the night, birds on the ground and birds in flight, birds in the sun, birds in the snow. We got birds, birds, birds everywhere we go. We got birds, birds, birds everywhere we go. Some build nests high up in trees, some build underground. No matter where they put their homes, we hope they are safe and sound. Some birds swim in the water, sometimes they fly in the sky. They waddle, they paddle, they walk and they run, but not every bird knows how to fly. Birds in the morning, birds in the night, birds on the ground and birds in flight, birds in the sun, birds in the snow. We got birds, birds, birds everywhere we go. Birds, birds, birds everywhere we go. Birds, birds, birds everywhere we go. Thanks to Tom, thanks to Alan, thanks to all those kindergartners and all the teachers, and thanks to you for being here.